Right, the cat's back. He's woken up. Well, he's woken up. I've got the steak in the pan. I'm just going to continue to make this sauce. I got the pasta done. Gonna make sure that these are done first before I tackle the steak. Knowing that everything's done then. So I'll finish that up in a bit. Thank you to everyone that likes, shares, subscribes, and watches. Let's see if this. You okay? You left that. Went upstairs for a bit. Right, so I've got to wash that out, put it out. This is recycled too, so sit out the door again. Oh, I love you. That's the other thing as well. Don't have your pan height heat too high. You okay? What you doing? What are you doing? I'm not getting Chairman Meow back today, or Fluffy, or Lord Cat, you don't know. Oh, I love you. Yes. I'm going to turn the steak over. Once the steak is done, I'm going to mix the pasta into there, or into that, stir it through, and serve up. I wanted to have some broccoli, but I couldn't get any. I can do some peas or carrots, I don't know. I'll think about it. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're not going to do your business in the corner. I know what you're up to. Come on. Eat that. I'm not to jump up on there and try to take my steak. One or the other. Go into the corners. They make for corners. The other one was trying to do his business here the other day. Yeah, I know you. I know you. Right. Try and get a bit of more ventilation through here. They wouldn't eat the chips the other day. Oh, well, that's better. That's better. Nice fresh air. I wanted to get out. Oh, and you're off now. So he's going to do a business. Oh, that's nice. Get some ventilation through here. I wish I had an extractor fan. I've asked the council about it. I'll have to do it myself, and it's a private currency. He's going to do his business. That's what he was going to do a second ago. Thank God I let him out. I can't look at that. Okay. Now I've got rubbish to put out while the rain's gone. So we've got our sauce bubbling away. I should have left that. I should keep an eye on that. Oh no! It's gone out the blooming window. Ah, dang it. Where'd it go? I heard it go. I washed those up to put them out. Recycle. I better get my hands on that or I'll not forget that. To say, there should be one here. But we went. The extractor fan, that would have been a nice Christmas present. Let's check on the steak now. Sticking a little bit, but not bad. Could have left it a bit longer. So I've turned it, and I'll turn it again. I'll pop that into there. Right, I'll mix the pasta into there. As I said, I haven't got any broccoli which I wanted. The only thing I can put in is peas. carrots in and I'll change up on the recipe. Turn that down. I wish I had more mushrooms, but we do what we can with what we have. Oh, look at that now. So they're pretty much there. Oh.